In this video, I'll show you how you can play races in GTA 5 online. All you have to do is simply pause your game and then select online, and then choose jobs, and then select play job. And then there are a couple of options you can choose from. You can simply select Rockstar Created, or you can choose Community Jobs. So choose the one that you prefer, and then scroll down and you can either choose stunt races or the races. So find the one that you'd like, select it, and then let's say for instance if you want to do this particular race, simply select and then select confirm to start that particular job. So in case the race is not active, you should see this prompt: would you like to continue and host this job or search for any race? So you can choose either to host or to search for a job. And then from there, once you get enough players to do that particular race, you can now begin playing or racing in that particular race. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.